Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So if you didn't know, we work on Alliance and we actually do Alliance factory warranty. We're just getting started with them, so you'll have to kind of bear with us as things take their time. But this is a unit that's not under factory warranty. This is actually 2021. I'm not sure what all they came in for. I can see that there's some tire damage. Looks like the fender skirt blew out. I'm not sure if we're doing something else. This is actually a 3-axle, so it's a pretty big size unit. And as time goes, after it just dropped off, so the girls just checked it in. So as I get time, I'll go back through it and we do what's called a free exterior evaluation, where we're looking at all your sealants and seams. You know, we're looking for separations and things like that that are broken down. I can't see if I got the right angle. Here we are, stuff that's let loose. We're looking to see if there's anything that's missing, you know, screws. So here's where the J metal is, the fender skirt's missing. They do have the CLE 3000s, and you know what I say about those, right? If you have them on there, take them off, at least in our area. It's not a knock on them, it's just, you know, I've written articles and videos that other people have as well. We see that maybe it's whether you're driving too rough roads, going off of curbs, hitting a deep pothole. They're only designed to pivot so much, so when it does that, it damages the casting that holds it, and then it also opens it up and basically allows the bolt to shear off. So they have changed them and they have made some improvements, but I've also had some of those that have had issues as well. So again, not a knock on MoRide, you know, so when you hear this MoRide, not a knock on you guys. We love you guys. We like all your products. We recommend a lot of your stuff. We install a lot of your stuff. But it's just something that in this area of our neck of the woods in California, because our roads are so bad and people, you know, are traveling with them. So anyways, but if you haven't checked us out on our Alliance group, I think we're around 3,500. It's Alliance RV Owners Maintenance and Repairs in the RV Shop with Dustin. And hey, I'm Dustin. So check us out, and we encourage you to share your posts, pictures. If you have videos, we encourage you to put them on there. If you write articles, if you did an accessory upgrade, if you did a repair, if you changed something, it helps everybody in the industry, including ourselves at our shop, but all the mobile guys that follow us, all the other repair shops, dealerships, and even the manufacturer. So, and then they can see like, oh, that's cool. The consumer changed this or that. Maybe they'll go with that on a newer model, or you know, lets them see problems that you've had to mess with. So again, we recommend that you check out all of our photo albums, not just that group, but on our business page, CaliforniaRVSpecialist.com. And you can see all of our different Facebook groups. You can see all our posts, articles. You can see all my CV, all my background information about me, how long I've been in business. I've been doing this now for 26 years. It's kind of hard to believe, and I'm only in my early 50s. So I've got probably about another 20 years to go. And our shop's pretty much an open book, right? There's nothing here. We're not here to screw anybody over. We do honest work. All my guys are senior guys, veterans. They've all pretty much got about 20 years experience. A couple of them, the younger guys, got 10 plus. And so, you know, when you come into this shop, everything's pretty much straight time operation. None of the guys are paid by flat rate or piecework. We're not in a rush trying to get something done, beat a clock, or all that kind of stuff like a dealership would be. And we're not here to sell you new coats. So we're here to help you maintain the one that you have, whether that's Gino in the background making too much noise, but whether you want to maintain it yourself or you want us to maintain it. Our little slogan is, you know, fix what you can fix, and what you can't fix, use us for that. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, your RV Specialist, and we will talk to you soon. Have a great day.